Hello everyone, welcome to MathematrikS. I'm Harry. Today we share with you an easy way to find the square of any two-digit number. Yes, here is an easy way to find the square of any two-digit number. To make it easier for you, we will explain it in sets. For example, numbers between 10 and 19, between 20 and 29 and so on. Let us see how it works for numbers between 10 and 19. For example, we take 17 squared, do 17 plus 7 and multiply the result by 10. We get 240. Add 7 times 7 to this result. We get 240 plus 49, which is 289. Therefore, 17 squared equals to 89. For example, we take 13 squared. 13 plus 3 will give you 16. 16 times 10 will give you 160. Add 3 times 3 to this result. We get 160 plus 9 equal to 169. 13 squared is equal to 169. Let us see how it works for numbers between 20 and 29. For example, we take 26 squared, do 26 plus 6 and multiply the result by 20. We get 640. Add 6 times 6 to this result. 640 plus 36 will give you 676. Therefore, 26 squared is equal to 676. For example, 29 squared, do 29 plus 9 and multiply the result by 20. We get 760. Add 9 times 9 to this result. We get 760 plus 81 as 841. 29 squared is equal to 841. Let us see how it works for numbers between 30 and 39. For example, we take 35 squared, do 35 plus 5 and multiply the result by 30. We get 1200. Add 5 times 5 to this result. 1200 plus 25 will give you 1225. 35 squared is equal to 1225. For example, we take 37 squared, 37 plus 7, multiply the result by 30. We get 1320. Add 7 times 7 to this result. We get 1320 plus 49 will give you 1369. 37 squared is equal to 1369. Now let us see how to square numbers between 40 and 49. For example, we take 47 squared, do 47 plus 7, multiply the result by 40. We get 2160. Add 7 times 7 to this result. 2160 plus 49 will give you 2209. 47 squared is equal to 2209. Let us take another example. 43 squared, add 3 to 43 and multiply the result by 40. We get 1840. Add 3 times 3 to this result. 1840 plus 9 will give you 1849. 43 squared will be 1849. Now let us see how it works for numbers between 50 and 59. For example, we take 51 squared, do 51 plus 1, multiply the result by 50. We get 2600. Add 1 times 1 to this result. We get 2600 plus 1, 2601. 51 squared is equal to 2601. Let us take another example. 58 squared, 58 plus 8 and multiply the result by 50. We get 3300. Add 8 times 8 to this result. We get 3300 plus 64, which is 3364. Therefore, 58 squared is equal to 3364. Now let us see how to square numbers between 60 and 69. For example, we take 63 squared, do 63 plus 3 and multiply the result by 60. We get 3960. Add 3 times 3 to this result. We get 3960 plus 9, 3969. So 63 squared is equal to 3969. Take another example, 65 squared. Do 65 plus 5 and multiply the result by 60. We get 4200. Add 5 times 5 to this result. We get 4225. Therefore, 65 squared is equal to 4225. Now let us see how it works for numbers between 70 and 79. For example, we take 72 squared, do 72 plus 2 and multiply the result by 70. We get 5180. Add 2 times 2 to this result. We get 5180 plus 4, which is 5184. 72 squared is equal to 5184. We take another example, 75 squared, 75 plus 5. Multiply the result by 70. We get 5600. Add 5 times 5 to this result. 5600 plus 25 will give you 5625. Therefore, 75 squared is equal to 5625. Now let us see how to square numbers between 80 and 89. For example, we take 87 squared, do 87 plus 7 and multiply the result by 80. We get 7520. Add 7 times 7 to this result. 7520 plus 49 will give you 7569. 87 squared is equal to 7569. Take another example, 83 squared. 83 plus 3, multiply the result by 80. We get 6880. Add 3 times 3 to this result. 6880 plus 9 will give you 6889. 83 squared is equal to 6889. Now let us see how to square numbers between 90 and 99. For example, we take 96 squared, add 6 to 96 and multiply the result by 90. We get 9180. Add 6 times 6 to this result. We get 9226. 96 squared is equal to 9226. For example, we take 99 squared, add 9 to 99 and multiply the result by 90. We get 9720. Add 9 times 9 to this result. We get 9720 plus 81. 9801. 99 squared is equal to 9801. Hope you enjoyed this video and liked the tricks we had shared. If you found it useful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow our channels. Please visit us at www.mathematrikS.com and www.ganithashastra.com. You can WhatsApp us or call us on +91 87147 66648. Thanks for watching. Bye.